Okay guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. It's my pineapple. This is my first time baking the pineapple cake. Pineapple cake crust. Okay. So let's try to eat, but it's hot. Okay. This is 6 pieces. But it's not good to eat hot. It is hot. So we'll eat afterwards. Bye-bye. It's hot. Come here. You have to look at my pineapple cake. This is pineapple cake.
I have been in the photos before.
This is not photo. This is bye bye.